SuperMarvelSpider-Man 2 back. It's SuperMarvelSpider-Man. We're back in another video. Yeah. So we're gonna be reacting to again another Dhar video. I know. We will react to something else, but there's one Dhar video I have not reacted to yet. I've watched it before, but I have not reacted with you guys. So it's based on GranTurimo, the film and the video game, and it's about gamer becomes real race car driver. Yeah, let's go. Let's react.
Come on.
You see, I just love racing games. We did that for that.
Come on.
Archie, are you still playing that game?
Almost. Just another.
This is a good guy's a good driver. Alright, guys. Real ones will know. If you're a legend, you would know Real Racing 3. You would know Real Racing 3. Man, I had good times with it. I had good times with it.
Dad, what'd you do that for?
You've been on that game since you woke up. You need to stop wasting your time.
It's not a waste of time. I'm one of the top-ranked players in GranTurimo, Dad.
One of the common
So,
you can play in
The last time I checked, video games don't pay the bills, Archie. And look at this mess. You need to clean this up. Then you better get to sleep soon, because you know you're coming to work with me in the morning.
Yeah, whatever.
Carter, your proposal doesn't seem to address our current challenges. We need innovative ideas.
Instead of Nissan, we got Ford. Dharma decided to put Ford instead of Nissan, but okay.
Is to drive growth.
No, I get it. So you're right. We need something that's completely different.
Well, we are running out of time. What we need is something that's going to set us apart from the competition.
What you need here is to stop making the pre-named electric SUV.
Well, does anyone have any other suggestions?
I do.
Bring back the Ford Focus. How about that? Bring back the Ford Focus and the Fiesta. That's what you should do.
I have an idea.
Bring back the Focus.
It's a bit out there, but
Go on.
what if we dive into the world of video games? Specifically, race simulation, like Gran Turismo. We scout the best drivers, and we give them an opportunity to compete in a real race using a Ford vehicle.
No, you want to take gamers and stick them in our cars in an actual race? Are you insane?
I know this sounds crazy, but just hear me out. Video game technology is so advanced right now, and these gamers have lightning reflexes and an instinct to race. I really think that we can make them real-life race car drivers. It's a risk. I see that. But if this pays off, we'll be pioneers of the industry.
You guys need to bring back the Ford Focus.
Roger! Hey, Roger! I don't know how you did it, but the board decided to give your idea a try. So don't screw it up.
I won't.
Okay.
I won't. Thank you so much.
How much longer, Dad? I don't want to do this anymore.
It's called hard work, Archie. Something you obviously know little about.
Hey, Martin.
Hey, what are you guys doing here? This is my place of work, and I have my son here today.
We need our $5,000. Where is it?
I don't have it, but I will. Just please, Vinny, give me till Friday.
Man, last time you said Wednesday, and guess what? It's Wednesday.
Martin, if you can't pay your debts, you really shouldn't be gambling. So the way I see it, you have two options. One, you pay us our money. Or two, I cut you like a Thanksgiving turkey right here in front of your son.
Are you that dumb? Are you that stupid? How can you even cut the dad up like Thanksgiving turkey? Mate, you speak like a giraffe. You sound
Okay,
like a giraffe.
okay. Just give me till the end of the day. I promise I'll call you and I'll meet up with you guys. Please.
6 o'clock, Martin. Not 6:01, not 6:02. You hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Good boy. Get back to work.
Dad, what was that about?
It was nothing. Nothing. Don't worry about it, son. I got it taken care of. You know why I brought you here today? I brought you here so that you can see what your life is going to be like if you don't start taking things more seriously. You can't spend your days playing video games and expect to get anywhere.
There's a lot of people that play video games that make money from it.
There's people that make money playing the lottery, too. But that's not a realistic plan now, is it? Look, son, I just want the best for you. I don't want you to end up like your old man, 50 years old with a bad back doing manual labor, trying to pay off his debts. You have so much more potential than that. If you don't throw your life away.
It's Randy. Can I answer it?
Yeah, but tell him you're at work and make it quick.
Yo, what's up, dude?
Archie, what's this message on your screen?
What are you doing in my room?
Okay, I was just trying to play a couple games, but chill. It says that you're invited to some qualifying race competition to compete in a road racing competition with Ford Motors.
Wait, whoa, dude, is that for real? Wait, what's that countdown?
I think it's like the countdown of when the race starts. You need to get over here, okay?
Dude, if you're pranking me...
Okay, it's not. Look, it says that the winner gets to go flying out a Ford motor. Look, it's less than a minute left.
This can't be real. It's just a game,
Archie,
dude.
just hit accept, come on. We don't got much time to waste. Come on.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Come on.
Dude, I can't believe this is happening.
Me either.
Archie, come help me get dinner ready.
Yeah, hold on, Dad. I'm just gonna go shower first.
You got this. Guy coming behind you. Good, Archie. Keep going. The guy behind you on your left. Archie, go, let go. You got it.
Yeah.
So, this is for real.
I told you.
You're in here playing video games again?
Won't believe this, Dad.
He won.
Yeah. I just got invited to go to Michigan to drive for Ford.
Well, you're not going. Now hurry up and help me. I'm not going to ask you again.
Come on, Dad. This is a huge opportunity for me. I don't think you understand. This isn't about video games. This is about me becoming a real race car driver.
What do you know about racing real cars? This is completely different than staring at a screen.
I mean, how much different can it be? Even if it is, I'll learn. You know I pick up things quickly. Please, Dad. What did you used to tell me when I was a kid? Whatever I believe, I can achieve. Well, I believe I can be a real race car driver.
When I said that, I didn't mean for something crazy like this. Come with me to the grocery store. We gotta pick some things up.
Hey, isn't that the guy from work earlier? Dad. Dad, tell me what's going on.
I got myself into a bit of a situation, son. You see, last year, everything seemed perfect. We were one small, happy family. That is, until your mom got sick. It seemed like no matter how many treatments we tried, the doctors couldn't figure out what was wrong. Your mom kept saying we should stop trying. But I said giving up wasn't an option, no matter what. But even though I never gave up on her, her body eventually did. I never cried so much in my life. After your mom passed, what I didn't expect was all the hospital bills and funeral expenses. I tried to act like everything was okay in front of you guys, but in reality, I had no idea what to do. So I ended up making some dumb decisions. I tried gambling to pay it all off.
Gambling is just, it's not really that, it's just not, but the dad had to do what he got to do.
But instead, I ended up even deeper in debt. Debt with the kind of guys you don't want to owe money to.
I swear, these guys think they're like some tough guys, but they're not. They're just soft.
So you see, son, that's why those guys were after me. I owe them
Wait, hold on. You
$5,000.
literally see them. You can literally see them.
Oh, thank God. Hey, Kevin. Hey, thanks for calling me back. I was wondering if it's possible for me to borrow some money. I'll pay you back as soon as I can. I need $5,000. I know. I really hate to ask for that much, but I really... Hello? Hello? I can't believe he hung up on me.
Matt, now what are we gonna do? Didn't those guys say you had to pay him back by 6 o'clock?
It's 6:15. Oh, dude,
Dad?
that's bad.
Look.
The way they're staring at like you lost something.
They say you had to pay him back by 6
Look at
o'clock?
them idiots staring. Look at them. Look at that Vinny guy staring.
Dad? Look.
I don't know what to do.
Switch with me.
What?
Switch with me.
It's 6 o'clock, Martin.
Buckle up.
Man, get these fools.
Hey, you're losing him, man. He's fast.
I don't know how that beat up Misa was gonna catch up.
I think we lost him.
I think you did. Hey, who taught you how to drive?
Where in the world did you learn how to drive like that?
Aren't you gonna tell me to stop playing?
No?
Nothing beats flying from Gatwick.
Yeah.
You must be Archie.
Hey, stop saying.
My name's Carter. Head of marketing for Ford.
I'm Martin, Archie's dad.
Great to meet you. Archie, that was one heck of a race you won to qualify for all this. Now, the question we're all asking is, can you do it on a real track against a real race car driver?
That's Victor Hayes. You're kidding, right? He's a legend.
I'm not king at all, Archie. If you can beat Victor in a race, Ford is willing to sign you right here on the spot with a $100,000 signing bonus. But if you lose, well, you'll be on the next flight back home. So let's see what you got. Tell you what, let's fire up that late model stock car, get Archie in a helmet, and give him all the safety instructions. Archie, this is it. Okay, good luck.
I've tried it like this
You okay, son?
I don't know, Dad. Racing on a real track feels way different. I mean, what if I fail?
You will. If that's what you believe. As a wise person recently reminded me, whatever you believe, you can achieve. And if you believe you're going to lose, you will. But if you believe you're going to win, hey, you might walk out of here as the next Ford race car driver.
All right, Archie, we're ready for you.
You got this.
Ready. Set. Go.
Hey, great job, son. You almost had him.
Yeah, well, it wasn't good enough.
It's all right.
That was one heck of a race, Archie. Very impressive.
Thanks for the opportunity, Carter. I appreciate it.
Wait, where are you going?
What do you mean? You said if I lost, I'd be on the next flight back.
Oh, that's right. I did say that. Fortunately, I'm not the one that makes the decisions.
Yo, that's me when I
Hey, Archie. I'm Richard Miles, CEO of Ford. If you can drive like that on your very first real race, I can't imagine where you'll be in a year. How would you like to come drive for Ford?
Are you serious? Heck yeah! I mean, yes, sir. Thank you. Dad! We did it!
You did it. You did it. Hey, son.
Hey, Dad.
Were you being for real? You back for real?
Good son.
There's no way. I've never seen so many zeros on a piece of paper before. So what are you gonna do with it?
Dude, I don't know yet, man. I mean, maybe I'll buy a new car or some new gaming equipment. I'm just kidding, Dad. Here you go.
What?
Go pay off all your debts.
No, I couldn't.
Of course you can. And besides, I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot more of these checks coming.
I love you so much, son.
Love me too.
And I'm so proud of you. Wow. I guess video games can pay bills after all.
Yeah. Playing racing games is just...
Yeah, I got your money. And I don't appreciate you chasing.
When you're playing guys, when you're playing racing games like GranTurimo, Real Racing 3, it's all about getting energy. It's about enjoying your day. It's about fresh air.
Around town like that.
So, are you gonna actually show me how to race now?
Dude, come on.
Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. And let me know what videos you want to see next. So, bye.